Crowns are used mainly when we see folks who have large fillings, large silver fillings that start to crack or break. You'll start to experience some pain when you bite down on something, or maybe when you drink something cold. And those are all signs that maybe a tooth has become cracked. And that's where crowns come in helpful and very useful, because we're able to take out either a cavity or old filling or things like that, and we're actually able to save the entire tooth, because instead of having a bunch of different pieces where you have a piece of a tooth and a piece of a filling and a piece of a tooth and multiple crack lines going all throughout it, instead of losing the tooth, or instead of having a bigger filling which may leave you at a risk of fracturing it again, we're actually able to use the crown to cover all of those pieces. So instead of each piece trying to work individually, they're all working together under one roof to be able to take the forces that are necessary for chewing, biting, things like that. And that's where the crown comes in handy, is because now it can give you back that 100% to where it decreases the risk of breaking maybe more of the tooth off or causing a fracture to go into the nerve that might need you to have a root canal, or maybe even cause the tooth to be lost altogether. We're able to get you in, we can prepare the tooth, and we do it and we make sure that you're comfortable and pain-free. I have technicians that work very specifically with crowns, and they make some of the best crowns, high functioning, and they have multiple different materials that they're able to use depending upon the needs of the situation. We take a lot of photographs when you're here so that we can get a really good shade and coloration of the tooth that you have versus the tooth that you're trying to replace, and so that we can get everything to complement and match very well. If there's still concerns or questions that you may have, it's an easy conversation to have, and we'd be more than happy to have one with you to figure out if one of these options may be best for you.